I recently cut my hair and have been using hair tools to dry and style my hair every day. So I think I found my new best friend, which is this. When we use styling tools which use heat, of course, we need to protect our hair. Kaya nga kailangan natin ng heat protectant. This got me really excited kasi look at the packaging. It's pink and green. It's like strawberry matcha, which is very pretty, very me. I got this one in the scent Berry Rush and it's really sweet. Like ngayon, naaamoy ko pa siya sa buhok ko. Ayan, so naglagay ako kanina and binlow dry ko yung hair ko. It's not like 100% dry. Pero as you can see, it's really soft, bouncy, walang matigas-tigas. When you open it, the bottle looks like this. Diba? Very, very matcha. And then you get cute stickers. So you could use these to decorate your bottle or to use for something else, I guess. Ayan sila. Rest of this is also okay. Ayan. What I can say about this is, yun nga, ang bango-bango niya, hindi tumitigas-tigas ang hair ko, and just the thought that my hair is protected from heat, 2 thumbs up. This has SPF 30 and this bottle is 100 ml. Also comes in a variety of scents. So madami talagang options kung ano man yung scent na gusto mo for your heat protectant spray na mabangong mabango. Ngayon naman, i-decorate natin ang aking bottle. Um, so I kind of went overboard with the stickers. Here is what my bottle looks like right now. Ayan siya. Super cute! And ilan na lang yung natira.